Hey, what's up YouTube? I am here with a student. We're about to do a run through of the Florida driving test.
Hi.
We're at a Broward County location and we're gonna be running through the test real quick. She's been practicing, so she's pretty good. I'm going to show everything that is on the test step by step, so please watch to the end and you will be quite happy with the fact that you chose to do that. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel left, you put your car in park, you put on your emergency brake, and you turn off the engine.
Okay, cool. Alright, then they'll ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Again, they're doing all of this to make sure that the lights are working. The brake lights, the turn signal lights, and the horn. They will not take you out in a car that those things does not work, right? Again, at least this location that I'm at now, the examiners are still not getting in the car. They are in certain location, but they're not getting in the car. They're gonna be calling you on the phone. Someone has to sit with you here at this location that is not a driving instructor that is 21 or older. Alright, now they're gonna ask you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead and reverse. Look behind you as you reverse, straight back. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, we're going to stop and turn all the way to the right. Look behind you while you reverse. Okay, go back a little bit more still. Alright, because you're reversing so you can go forward without hitting the cars that's parked here. We're assuming that there are cars everywhere, right? Anytime there's a parking space, there's cars in it. So you're not driving in the parking space. Okay, go ahead, put it back in drive. We're gonna pull up over there and stop. And then they'll tell you the first maneuver is to reverse in a straight line. So we're gonna stop about here. Look behind you and reverse straight back. Keep the wheel as straight as possible. Look at the wheel and go straight back. Go back until I tell you to stop. Okay, stop here. So again, we're reversing in a straight line, and when you pull forward, if you are straight when you stop, the car will go straight back. Alright, so now we're gonna do the next maneuver is to do the quick stop, which means they're gonna ask you to speed up to like 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up and stop. Okay, that's good, perfect. All right, now we're gonna go around the corner. All right, so you signal left. So again, signal every single time. Every time they ask you to turn, you signal. If you don't signal, you're gonna lose 4 points. All right, go ahead. And you're gonna stay close to the right side here. The closer you are to the right, the easier it is to park. So the next maneuver is for you to park in between these cones. So we're gonna go up and we're gonna line up your mirror. Let me see. Yeah, like that, perfect. Now turn all the way left. So you signal left, turn all the way left. And then you're going to roll into the space. As you get to the middle of the space, you're going to straighten the wheel. Alright, and then pull straight in. Go up a little bit more. And stop. Okay, now the next thing they're going to ask you to do is reverse out of the space. You're going to go to the left. So you reverse when your mirror is past the cones. You're going to turn all the way to the right. Alright, all the way right. And you're going to back up until your mirror is past the middle of the space. Okay, so like the mirror is past the middle like that. Stop. Put the car in drive. Now we're gonna pull up next to the white line on the right side. To the white line right there. Pull next to it. Because the next thing we're gonna do is the 3-point turn. So you're gonna stop about here. Now we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So signal left. Turn all the way left. And you're gonna go and stop before you hit the curb. Okay, now you're gonna put the car back in reverse all the way to the right. And look over your left shoulder as you reverse. and you're gonna stop, and your mirror is past the middle. Back a little bit more. So when your mirror is past the middle of the space like that, you stop, put the car back in drive, signal left, and turn all the way down. We're gonna go to the stop sign right there, and we're gonna make a left turn. So you pull up to the stop sign, and you're going to come to a complete stop. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Obviously you're doing that in your head, right? Alright, and you're gonna make a left and then a quick left. So now they could tell you to make a left here, they could tell you to make a left at the other one. So you just follow instructions basically. So we're gonna make the left at this first one. So you make sure you signal and turn. Alright, we're gonna pull up, keep going up, and they're gonna walk up to you about here and tell you to stop. Put the car in park, and the test ends here. So, how do you think you did?
I think I did well.
You did. I believe, based on what you just did, if you did it just like that, you would pass with probably close to 100%, because you didn't really make any mistakes. So yeah, you see how well she did. She's gonna take the test. The DMV opens in a little over 30 minutes, and she's gonna be taking her test then. I will put it in the description what she got on her test, but I'm sure she's gonna pass. Right? So, alright. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, I'm asking you please to subscribe. I need people to help me to get to 10,000 by the end of the year. I'm 9,200 now, so just get me over the 10,000 mark. Just a couple more, please get me to 10,000 before the end of the year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
Bye.